Hey garden lovers, welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into 15 viral TikTok gardening hacks that will revolutionize your green space. From regrowing veggies to budget-friendly raised beds, these hacks are game changers. Let's get started. Hack 1. Regrowing green onions from scraps. First up, the endless green onion hack. Simply take the white roots of green onions and place them in a glass of water. Set this on a sunny windowsill and change the water every few days. In just a week or so, you'll see new green shoots sprouting up. This is not only a great way to reduce food waste but also provides you with fresh green onions for cooking whenever you need them. Hack 2. Filling raised beds on a budget. Next, let's fill raised beds without breaking the bank. Instead of filling your entire raised bed with expensive soil, start with cardboard to smother any grass or weeds underneath. Then, layer in branches, straw, and leaves to create a base. Finally, top it off with a few inches of quality soil for planting. This method not only saves money, but also enriches your soil as the lower layers decompose over time, providing nutrients for your plants. Hack 3. Planting tomatoes from slices. Want free tomato plants? Here's how. Take a store-bought tomato and slice it into thick pieces. Lay those slices on moist potting soil and cover them lightly with more soil. Water well and keep the soil moist. In a few weeks, you'll have seedlings sprouting from the seeds in the tomato slices. This is an easy way to grow tomatoes without starting from seeds. Hack 4. Vertical gardening with plastic bottles. Save space with this vertical gardening hack. Recycle plastic bottles by cutting holes in the sides for drainage. Fill them with potting soil and plant herbs or small vegetables inside. Hang these bottles on a wall or fence using hooks or twine for an instant vertical garden that looks great and saves space. Hack 5. Using forks to deter critters. Keep critters away with this quirky hack. Plant plastic forks around your garden with the tines facing up. The forks create an obstacle that deters rabbits, deer, and other unwanted visitors from munching on your precious plants. It's an easy and inexpensive way to protect your garden without using harmful chemicals. Hack 6. DIY weed killer with vinegar. Make an effective natural weed killer by mixing 1 gallon of white vinegar, 1 cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray directly onto the weeds you want to eliminate. The vinegar will dry out the leaves while the salt helps kill the roots. Just be careful not to spray it on your desirable plants. Hack 7. Bottom watering with a tray. Try bottom watering for healthier plants. Place your potted plants in a tray filled with water. The plants will absorb moisture from the bottom through their drainage holes, promoting stronger root growth while preventing overwatering from above. This method is especially useful for delicate plants that don't like getting their leaves wet. Hack 8. Using coffee grounds as fertilizer. Don't toss those coffee grounds. Instead, sprinkle them around your plants to enrich the soil with nitrogen. Coffee grounds improve drainage and attract beneficial earthworms that aerate the soil. They're especially beneficial for acid-loving plants like roses and blueberries. Your garden will thank you. Hack 9. Creating a hanging garden with old shoes. Turn old shoes into quirky planters. Fill them with potting soil and plant herbs or flowers inside. Hang these unique planters on a fence or wall using hooks for an eye-catching vertical garden display that adds character to your outdoor space. Hack 10. Using eggshells for seed starters. Start seeds in eggshells for an eco-friendly seed starter. Save your eggshells, fill each half with potting soil, and plant your seeds inside. Once they sprout, you can plant them directly into your garden, shell and all. The eggshells provide calcium to your plants as they decompose. Hack 11. Planting potatoes in a bag. Grow potatoes in a bag for easy harvesting. Use an old burlap sack or large container. Fill it partially with soil, add seed potatoes, cover lightly, and keep adding soil as they grow. When it's time to harvest, simply dump out the bag. No digging required. Hack 12. DIY trellis with bamboo stakes. Make an inexpensive trellis using bamboo stakes tied together with twine or string. This is perfect for climbing plants like peas or cucumbers that need support as they grow upward. Plus, it adds some rustic charm to your garden. Hack 13. Watering plants with ice cubes. Water your plants using ice cubes for slow-release hydration. Simply place ice cubes on top of potted plants. As they melt, they provide consistent moisture without overwatering. A great method for orchids or other sensitive plants. Hack 14. Repurposing old containers for planting. Get creative by repurposing old containers like teacups or tin cans as unique planters. Just make sure to add drainage holes at the bottom before filling them with potting mix and planting small flowers or succulents. Hack 15. Making compost at home. Start composting at home to create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Use kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells in a designated bin or pile in your yard. Turn it regularly to aerate it. In just a few months, you'll have beautiful compost ready to nourish your plants. And there you have it. 15 viral TikTok gardening hacks that will transform your garden. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fun gardening tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your results using #GardenHackMaster. We'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.